Hey guys, it's me, Major. Today I'm making some cupcakes, aqua blue cupcakes, and so I got the batter, my pan with cupcakes in it. Well, not cupcakes, but cupcake papers, 2 eggs, some oil, and measuring cups for the oil, and a mixing thing.
Whisk.
Whisk.
And you need some water.
And I need some water.
Wait a minute. How much water do you need?
Oh, yeah.
What did it say? You need 2/3 cup water.
2/3 cup of water.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm gonna fill this up, guys.
Don't put it in yet. Put your mix in.
I gotta put my mix in. Look at it, it's blue, guys. Blue is my favorite color. Oops. Awesome.
Okay. What you about to add in? This is not right, so we're just gonna pour some of this in. Mix it.
That's better. Oopsie. I gotta clean that up.
Slow down. Need some oil. You need 1/4.
Guys, I did this before, but I didn't make a video of it. I just made them.
1/4 oil.
This looks nasty when it's oil in it. Oh, comment down below if you ever had aqua blue cupcakes. They're yummy.
Crack your eggs in it. Okay.
And we got some blue
here
frosting.
You need 2 eggs. Do it with 2 hands. Do it with 2. Okay. All right, you got it. Put it on this paper. You got an eggshell on your finger.
Whoa. To let you know, that's my first time cracking eggs. Thank you.
Stir real good.
When you just got eggs in it, you supposed to flip it, because it's not, if you stir it's not gonna like do what you want it to do.
What you gotta set the oven for? 350?
Oh yeah, 350. Can't wait to pour them in these.
Mix it up real good. Is it mixed up? Let me see. Hold the bowl.
Gotta get him to go to those stairs.
I think it's good. Okay. Close that door. What you gonna scoop these with?
Inside the bowl. Okay. Scoop on this. Okay. Oh God, hey guys, it's me, Major. I'm back again, and now we're gonna be putting the frosting on the cupcake. So I'm gonna be putting this is my cupcake, so I'm gonna put the frosting on this cupcake. So let's get started. Guys, this cupcake's gonna be yum. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you that I'm gonna be doing a Cupcake video. So if you wanna see that, well, I didn't do it yet, but I am. So if you wanna see it, just comment down below.
You like a lot of frosting?
Alright guys, I'm all done. Now the taste. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys.
What?
Oh my God.
What?
I gotta show you guys something. Look at this. This looks like wrapper. This is so cool. I'm gonna taste this part first. Like this part, it tastes like wet, but it's still good.
Let me see it. The inside. You all done? So are you gonna close your video?
Oh, bye y'all. Don't forget to subscribe.